Peace, family. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to double your money in 8 steps. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. Watch the entire video so you can get these 8 steps to start making real money, okay? Now, before we get into all of that, the Absolute Boss Collective is all about social equality over here. And we about prosperity, okay? Prosperity and social equality. So consider subscribing, okay? Because once you and I converse, okay, we create an atmosphere of social equality. Okay, and once we all come together, all right, and we all add on, that's how we gonna get prosperity. Okay, one hand washes the other, both hands wash the face. Talk about it. Okay, won't you do me a favor? Perform felony assault on that like button right now. It helps the brother out, it helps the channel out, and therefore will help you out. Okay, hit that notification bell because we pay it forward over here. And you can tell by this video right here. Okay, check out this video, watch that, because we pay it forward here at the Absolute Boss Collective. Okay, now without further ado, we're going to get right into it. Okay, how to double your money in 8 steps. Okay, now I use that title, okay? However, you need to recognize, okay, this is a $500 challenge update, okay? I'm going to make it rain in this one, okay? We're going to make it rain, all right? So, I have 11 trades for you. 10 option trades and 1 stock trade, okay? So we're going to go right into it. It's a lot of them to cover, okay? We got the SPY, July 9th, 432 call. In that at $122.51. Got out at $159.48 for a profit of $36.97 or 30.17%. Then I jumped in XPEV, XPEV, okay, had a July 23rd, 4250 put. I got that at $244.51. I was out at $269.48 for a profit of $24.97 or 10.21%. Pay very close attention to the tickers that I mentioned. Next is the NASDAQ, ticker symbol QQQ. July 26, 358 call, purchased for $463.51, out at $497.48 for a profit of $33.97 or 7.32%. Next up is the NASDAQ again, QQQ, 726, 360 call, in at 432, out at 483.48 for a profit of $50.97 or 11.78%. Next up, we're going back to XPEV, XPEV, August 20th, $40 put at $314.51. Out at $346.48 for a profit of $31.97 or 10.16%. Keep it going. Zella, XELA, 100 shares at $3.06 or $306. I was out at $3.20 or $320 for a profit of $28.63 or 9.35%. Yeah. It's about to be on. I'm about to make it rain for y'all real quick. Okay? Hold on to your hats. July 14th, 432 put, purchased at 173.51, out at $457.48 for a profit of $283.97 or 163.66%. Okay? Yeah. Can he do it again? Can I do something like that again? Let's go to the Russell, ticker symbol IWM, July 16, 221 put, in at $224.41, out at $401.48, or $176.97 profit, or 78.82%. Next, we have what I believe is a new addition to the $500 challenge. That is NIO, N-I-O, electric vehicle company. August 6, 45 put at $318.51. Out of that trade at $454.48 for a profit of $135.97 or 42.68%, baby. Next, we're going to XPEV once again. August 20th, $40 put, in it at $349.51, out at $449.48 for a profit of $100.97 or 28.97%. Last but not least, NASDAQ QQQ, July 23rd, 356 put, in that trade at $476.51, just below the $500, out at $613.48 for a profit of $136.97 or 28.74%. Add up all of those 11 trades, you're going to get $1,042.39 or 208% on $500. Okay, now, as those great orators of our time, Acrobatic and Bumpy Knuckles said, if we can't build, you will be destroyed. Think about everything that's going on right now. Okay, think about yourself. Most importantly, look inward. Think about yourself and think about what you want to do in the life that you want to have. If you're not living the life that you want to live right now, and you trying to figure out a way to get there, subscribe to the Absolute Boss Collective. We're going to show you how to get there by trading and investing, okay? That's what we do over here, okay? So, are you still with me? Are you still with me? If you still with me, I think you might be ready for the 8 steps, okay? These 8 steps will help you double your money, okay? This is the blueprint right here. I'm about to give it away to y'all, okay? Before I do that, though, if you don't have an account in which you can trade and invest in, I got 2 links below. I got one for Robinhood, and I got one for Webull. Sign up. You get some free stocks. I get some free stocks, okay? Let's do that together. Let's get this money, baby. 8 steps. Number 1, identify your trading style. What kind of person are you? Short term, long term, or somewhere in between. Number 2, create a trading plan. Okay? There's a lot of information out there to help you create a trading plan. And if you really interested in creating a trading plan, leave it in the comments below. Okay? Hit me up, man. This comment section should be flooded. Once I read these 8 steps to you, if you don't know how to do these 8 steps, you don't know where to start, start in the comments. Okay? Start in the comments. Okay? Because what the Absolute Boss Collective is all about is adding on to your knowledge of stocks and investing and trading. That's what we're about. We're going to add on to whatever knowledge you got. We're going to give you more so you can destroy the missed opportunities, man. Every single day there's an opportunity somewhere, okay? And this channel, we strive to bring it to you, baby, okay? Number 3, study your watch list. Remember I said pay attention to the tickers that I mentioned? Go to last week's $500 challenge update. Go to any of the nearly 20 $500 challenge videos and you will see the tickers that I mentioned. Tickers just means stock symbols, stock or ETF symbols that I mentioned in these videos. Okay? Do the knowledge to that. Check that out. And you'll see that number 3, studying a watch list, this is what I do. I watch these and I plot and I scheme on them. And when I see my opportunity, bam, so it's over. Okay? 4, calculate your risk and your reward. Okay? For every dollar you risk, how much do you want to make? Okay, you should be making 2. And that's something I'm working towards. I don't make $2 for every dollar that I risk. I'm getting there. I'm working on that. Okay. Number 5, hedge your risk. Protect yourself. Okay. Protect your neck in this game, man. It's dangerous out here. Ever wonder why they use bulls and bears to describe the 2 sides that are here in this market? Think about it. It's a jungle. Okay? Hedge your risk. Protect yourself. 6, plan and execute your trades. Okay? Providing that you watching or you're familiar with some companies or ETFs and you familiarize yourself with the market, okay, you have to plan when to get in. Think about it, okay? The profit is made at the purchase point, okay? So sometimes you could buy at the wrong time and you be caught out there. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to buy at the wrong time and get caught out there, y'all need to hit me up on Patreon, man. You know, schedule a call for yourself, man. All of these 8 steps I could walk you through, okay? And that one simple phone call will make the difference between making no money or making some money, okay? Number 7, book profits. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Book your profits, man. You never go broke by taking a profit, okay? So that's why you'll see some of my trades be like $30, $20. What's this guy talking about? You know what I mean? But they add up, okay? If you have a profit where you yield $15, yet you do that 10 times a day, 20 times in a day, you do the math. Add that up and tell me what that add up to in a year, okay? 250 trading days in a year. So tell me, you make $150 a day, what would that be at the end of the year, okay? Is it more than your job? Think about it. Number 8, stay humble. Stay humble. Okay, you can always get better. So all of you that are tuned in right now, no matter where you at, you can always get better. Okay. Absolute Boss Collective is about bringing you here, and you could be in the video with me. Okay. Because I know that, you know, as long as you study each and every day, each and every way, you can get better and you can improve yourself and you can do better trades. And that's what I'm working at. Okay, or working on. And that's what you should be working on too. Unless you're a millionaire. And if you're a millionaire, you're probably not watching this unless you rock with the God like that. You know what I'm saying? Friends in all walks of life. You know how it is. Okay, so just wanted to wrap it up. Okay, so if you will, okay, make sure that you look out for my Big Homies video. That's going to be a new Big Homies video dropping real soon, okay? Again, if you want me to walk you through the 8 steps that I mentioned in this video, if you're unclear, hit me up on Patreon. And make sure you and yours are entered in my $500 giveaway. The Absolute Boss Collective is giving away $500 when this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Y'all making it harder than it needs to be, man. You're making it harder than it needs to be. Don't be a sucker MC, man. Subscribe, man. Get down with the movement, man. Make sure you spread the word to your family and friends, man. You get this $500. You seen those 11 trades that I did. They was under $500. Okay? Get with me over on Patreon. Start placing the trades. Then holla at me. And both of us could be doing videos every week, updating the people on what we did with $500, man. Each one teach one. Okay? This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.